Alright, just a quick update of one of my current projects. I've always wanted to do some home automation stuff for AC controllers, that kind of thing. And with Christmas just around the corner, I thought I'd put together a 6-channel light controller. So this is just a prototype test of most of the moving parts for that. I'll go through them real quick here. On the back corner of the board here, we've got a 110 volt line coming in. That's just wall AC. And that feeds this side of the breadboard here. You see I've got my AC-DC stickers here so I don't get anything mixed up and blow something up. That feeds this AC-DC power supply here. It's just a board power supply that spits out a nice smooth 5 volts for everything else. There's my nice little status indicator there that that's working fine. The next chip you see down here is a 4N33 optoisolator. It's just got an LED and a photo transistor in there, so basically it gives me a trigger on this line for when we get a zero cross on AC current so that I can dim it by adjusting the AC waveform rather than trying to do something like adjust its voltage up and down. So here's the output here. It's controlled via this solid state relay. It's very important, as I found out, that you get the type that does not have a built-in zero cross circuit so that you can control when you want it to turn on. That just feeds this outlet box over here, the wire coming out for the switch that I'm not using, but that just controls the AC flow to this. The only other board that's of real importance is the Electret microphone. This is just a breakout board from Sparkfun that gives me a sound pressure sensitivity for basic volume control. The chip up here is just an ATmega 328P with the Arduino bootloader put on it. I don't have it in a programmer or an in-system program or anything like that, just so that I've got it in something a little bit closer to what it's going to be like on the actual board. So that is basically that. I will pop back in here in a second and I'll show you the system in motion. So now we've got our lights turned off here. You can still see the power status LED is glowing there on the board, and you can see flickering in the background there. I've draped some string of Christmas lights over the chairs so you can see them in the shot there. They're responding to the sound of my voice at the moment, and it's cutting off some of the lower volume levels just to be a little more responsive to the music I'll have on here, so that's why it's not super great with my voice right now. So here's a little bit of music as a demonstration.